All dear students, today class is engineering mechanics. So already we have discussed about MI classes. Previous classes we have already discussed MI, different type of theorem and different types of solutions. Today we'll discuss one MI problems, complicated or 3 sections problems. Good guys. Parallel axis theorem gives us I suppose IBC equal to IG plus AH square. Okay, clear guys? Why I mention here BC? Because the question is about BC. Okay, so already BC find out moment of inertia BC. He asking moment of inertia about centered axis. So question is asking find out the IG. Find out the IG. Okay, clear? So first see the diagram and figure. There is 3 sections. One is triangle, another is semicircle, another is circle. It's a 3 section. Section 1, section 2, section 3. Here guys, so 3 sections. Okay. We discuss about the problem of the about MI problems in 2 sections in previous classes. But today discuss about MI problem in the 3 sections. That is triangle section, semicircle section, and circle section. Clear guys? Okay. So concentrate here. How can find out IG? Okay guys, question is asking find out the IG. Okay, so first of all divide the sections. This is the total figure. You should divide the each section separate. So you can easily solve the problems. First section is triangle. So is mentioned here, section 1. Another section, semicircle, is mentioned here, section 2. And the is circle is mentioned here, 3. Clear guys? Clear students? I think you should understand. So first of all, section 1 means triangle 1. You find out the area. We know what is the area of the triangle? Half into base into height. Okay. So this A1 equal to half into base. Base is 80 cm. Here 80 cm and height equal to 6 cm. So calculate, then we got 24 cm square. Clear? Now, distance of centroid from VC axis. Here you can see here, VC axis. Centroid and the centroid about VC axis. Okay, students. So, what is the BC axis? X axis is 0. If you find the centroid of the X bar, you can find 0. Then you will go to the centroid of the Y axis. So what will be Y axis? You know the formula of triangle y equal to h by 3. Centroid y equal to h by 3. Already discussed. Okay. So here h is 6 by 3 means 2 centimeter is here, 2 centimeter. Clear? Then we'll jump to the section 2. Section 2 is the semicircle. Okay, clear? Semicircle. You know what is the area of the semicircle? We know circle area is pi r square. So semicircle is half of the total circle, means pi r square by 2. It is easy. So let's put A2 equal to half pi r square. Half pi into is given, data given, the total 8 cm, then what will be radius? 4 cm. Clear? So half into pi 4 r square. Then calculate, then we'll get 25.12 cm square. Okay guys, clear? Then we can about BC axis. BC axis, x of centroid equal 0 means axis रे BC रहेगा x. तो एठी कोन हो BC जदि axis हैला टोटल आउ कोड जीवो ये होची रेफरेंस पॉइंट मींस एलिमेंट. सो ये 0 हो. सो हमको y फाइंड आउट करबो. सेंटर्ड ऑफ y. What is the formula of y? 4r by 3 pi. Okay. That is the formula of centroid of y axis equal to 4r by 3. Clear? 4 r means 4, 3 into 5. That is a calculate. Okay guys, I think you should understood. Then we go to the next page. Okay guys, see here 4r by 3 pi. Okay, so minus 4r, why? That is the BC. About BC, it will be downward. That's why it is the negative sign. Okay, minus 4r by 3 pi. Minus 4 into 4 by 3 pi equal to minus 17 cm. Clear guys? So we'll jump to next section, that is circular section. Okay, circular section. You know, circular section by section 3. 3 equal to A3. A3 equal to, we know, that is Okay, that is section 1, section 2, section 3. So section 3 is circle. Clear? So section 3 is circle. We know what is the formula of area of circle, pi r square. Put the formula, pi into whole to power whole to square whole to power square equal to 12.56 cm square. Clear, guys? And y3 is a, we know that is the circle ro centered code रहिबो सबले center रहिबो. Okay guys, I mean centered means पहुंचले कोन CG, center of gravity circle ro will be center रहिबो. X axis and y axis सबले 0. So here is y3 equal 0. So calculate total centered of the figure. Total centered of the figure means section 1, section 2 and section 3. So total distance of the centered of the shaded area from BC equal to, we know, equal to, we know already we discussed about find out the CG of the y bar equal to a1 plus a2 y2 plus y3 a1 plus a2 plus a3. Clear? So see here, that is okay. So value put it and get the result 0.145 cm. Clear, guys? Okay, now
No, sir.
okay, what is your problem? Said hello. Hello. Okay, so the total centered of the figure, total figure, centered of the total figure. How can find out? The, you know, the summation of AY upon summation of area means A1 Y1 plus A2 Y2 minus A3 Y3 divided by A1 plus A2 minus A3. Okay. Minus, why minus is 1 is minus 17 cm. That's why it's minus. Okay. So centered of whole figure. So distance of the centered of the shaded from BC. How much distance you will get? Distance is 0.145 cm. So from BC axis, center is located in 0.145 cm distance. Clear? That is the figure. Okay, that is the figure. So where is located? 0.145 cm means nearly here. Nearly here CG is located. Clear? 0.145 cm. Okay. So centered distance of the centered of the shaded area from the BC. Shaded means if there is a shaded area. Okay, only this circle is not shaded. All are shaded. That's why we minus the minus. Why? This is a shaded area. He is asking shaded area. That's why it's minus the circle of the centroid. Clear? Next, we'll go to moment of inertia. We know moment of inertia